question.
With coffee, there are three things that you've got to get right. You've got to get the engineering right. You've got to get the sourcing and the roasting of the beans right. And you've got to get the product looking absolutely perfect. The greatest engineering challenge was to get the seal area where it interfaces with a capsule machine to be a perfect seal. We trialled hundreds of materials.
We've used a natural material as the gasket, which is fused to the aluminium, which gives an absolute perfectly watertight seal. We wanted to make sure we could recycle every component part of this capsule, and we have managed that.
To make sure that we've got the right sweet notes, the right acidity, the right roast strength.
What we have to do is to control the flow of water through the coffee. If you get a consistent flow, you'll get a consistent crema. You can then maintain the flavour all the way through the cup.
All the patents that we've got on a capsule give you that perfect crema.
We believe that this is the best capsule on the market. It delivers a great cup of coffee every time.
Every capsule on every machine, and that takes years and years of engineering and hundreds of hours of testing to get every sip absolutely perfect.